Hell yeah, Blackjack. Raccoon, baby. I feel like this is like the only place with raccoon shit. They got the stuff in the back. Some more cool shit. Freaking hot. Some beautiful mountains. There's the logo. Pretty much how everything looks. Some beautiful flags. Hell yeah. We got the Ninja brand. I'm debating if I should tell them if I can record, because last time they kicked my ass out, or to try to. Or should I just be low key? Watch out for this, because I tripped last time. I did get the peacock, but it's bigger than this. This is a small one. It was like as big as that one. Man, that one's 300. That's all expensive. I always want to get this one, but for 200, I'd rather get something better. How much are these ones? Doesn't even say. A Raccoon though. Nice. They got some nice fan cakes, Raccoon. For 260 or 216. I don't know. Oh shit, that's pretty cool. That one's pretty cool too. 120. I kind of want a beer now. It's freaking hot now. I'm ready to party. Hopefully you guys watch my other store tour videos. I already did, what is it, Blackjack. Or what? I'm already here. Phantom, and what was the other one? Alien. Stay tuned for the last one. Should be Red Apple. But yeah. Oh, this one's cool. Then last year too, they didn't have that much Raccoon. They got a lot of Raccoon shit. 94 bucks. And they got some good weight. Raccoon isn't messing around. Like I said, this video might be kind of like poo-poo because last time they tried to kick my ass out just because I was recording, so I don't know. I like that one too. That one's really cool. So it was like a cake and then no apps in the side. So pretty cool. 115. And then got some cool military guys. And then you got some crazy ass. You got the OG one too. This is for something else. Some more Red Apple shit. Hell yeah. That's a nice one there. I'm trying to find the shells, man. They got hella Raccoon shit. They got Holy Nishiki, 97 bucks, 99 bucks, 84 bucks. King Dragons, where the hell are King Dragons? They don't even have them, but King Dragons are 117. The Ghosts, 104. Oh, they got some nice weight too. And some of the other cakes right here. Oh, they got Hollywood Wolf. 75 bucks for this. That's pretty nice. Fuck, I have to. 30 bucks. 30 bucks, not too bad. This one's a better price, 23. I wish these were like 20-ish, like 25. I think that'd be fair enough. 21 bucks too, not too bad. So all these are like in the, all these 200 grams are like in the $20 range. small ones, 22 as well. So we got some of the classics, as y'all know, $6 a pop. Not bad. These are pretty nice. I like these all. This one too right here. I've never seen these ones. These are pretty nice too. Sheesh. Some fairly decent prices, I guess. They're like mid. I take that back. Like $40 for all these. The little ones obviously maybe a little cheaper. Let's go. These are pretty sick right here. Oh, here's the Doom. I was looking for this. So $38. What is this? $52. And this one is $54. They get a lot of Raccoon stuff this year. Ball shells, nice. A lot of single shots. Let's see. Holy Nishiki. I forgot, like $91 or something. Oh shit, never mind. 109. And yeah. The Howling Wolf too. Hey, shout out to Ryan, bro. I know that's your little baby right there. $75. To be honest, for me, I don't know. I wish it was a little cheaper. I don't know. Maybe I'm being picky, but yeah. And then a lot of, like I said too, a lot of the Raccoon cakes. That one's pretty cool. Right here too, the Ring of Fire. So Raccoon doing pretty good out here, I guess. And they got some Monkey Mania. The no-abs. This is all the no-abs. Some of the classics. Some more red apples. They're pretty nice. Even that one too. Hell yeah. Yeah, just kind of looking around, to be honest. Thank you. Alright, you guys, so we're done with the store tour. I just had to make it quick because I feel like they're gonna talk me shit because they keep staring, and I don't know, it's just kind of awkward. But anyways, freaking, if anything, I give the store, for prices and just how everything was, I give it a 7 out of 10, to be honest. It was cool, but it just wasn't a vibe. To be honest, Phantom was a little bit more of a vibe, to be real. So like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for the video. If you guys would like to, or just comment, whatever. I know the video is probably ass low-key, but Red Apple's next. Stay tuned to that. And yeah, see you guys soon. Hey, no cancellation.
All passengers should now board a key.
Oh.